Hey, hi. In this video, I will show you how we can push the Helm charts to AWS ECR. Okay. So as you see in this picture, yeah. So where I have my system installed with the Helm, and also I have the Helm CLI been running there. Yeah. So what I do is I will use the same Helm service to create the Helm charts, and I will be pushing that charts to AWS ECR. Okay. So here the prerequisites are you should have a system installed with the Helm, yeah, and also you should have an AWS account where you can create the AWS ECR service, that is Elastic Container Registry, yeah. So to know more about how you can download and configure the Helm service, please do watch my previous videos where I have explained the brief about that process. Okay. So with that note, let's directly jump to the required steps of this demo. So to speed up the task, what I did is I have articulated all the required steps to be done here in a page. Yeah. So you can see this in this notepad. I have documented all the required steps that we need to follow to show this demo. So first one, so let me log into the AWS. Okay, using AWS CLI. So I will use AWS configure command, and I will be using the default key and default secrets. Yeah. Once you are successfully logged into the AWS, you are good for the next step. The first step here is to create an ECR. That is the straightforward step using the yeah. So here the step is very straightforward. What we do is we'll create an ECR repository using AWS CLI command. Okay, and the CLI command is something like this. That is AWS ECR create repository name as a parameter and reason as a parameter. Yeah, so this is one I'm giving right now. So before I run this command, so let me take you back to the my AWS account. So this is my AWS account where I'm doing the task now. So here you don't see any kind of private repositories here. So I'm currently in the North Virginia, nothing but US East 1 region. Okay, so where I'm doing this demo. Yeah. So now, so let me create the ECR service now by running this command. Here you go. The repository has been successfully created. So let me refresh and show you that it got created. So the repository is successfully created. Inside this, it's completely blank and there is no images in it. Okay. So now what we do is we go for the next step and create the Helm chart images. Okay. So next one is to authenticate the Helm client to Amazon ECR registry. Okay. So how to do that? So we can do that using this CLI command, this AWS CLI command. Okay, it is say something like that. That is AWS ECR get login password of region US East 1 and give that password to Helm client so that it can authenticate to the ECR service present in this location in this account AWS account and belong to in this location. Okay, that's what this command does is all about. Yeah. So now let me run this command. So it should show login succeeded, which means that a Helm registry has got access to the Helm client has got the access to the AWS ECR service. Okay, so login is succeeded. So let's go to the next step. The next step is to create the a new directory and do a CD to that directory. Okay, so let me do that those two steps. What I do is I will create a new folder with the name a Helm tutorial, and I will do a CD to this. So let me go back one step. I think the Helm tutorial was already existed. So, but for your information, you need to create a one folder called Helm tutorial and do a CD to that. So that is the next step. Okay. So let me do that. So why I'm doing is we are keeping all the Helm related files and folders in a certain organized folder. Okay. So that's what I'm doing now. So let me copy the path again. Yeah, so it's the right one. So let's I have done the CD to that path. Okay, next create the Helm. Okay, let's create the Helm chart with a name called my charts. Okay, then we need to clear the content of the template directory inside that my chart folder. Okay, So let's do that. I will run the command Helm. Okay, so here you go. So here this is the first Helm CLI based command. Okay, that is what we are doing is we are creating a chart with a name called my charts. Okay, so it has successfully created the my chart. So let me take you to the chart. So yeah, so here you go. So under Helm tutorials, we got a folder name called my charts. So inside this one, there are multiple files and folders. So we need to clean this template folder. Okay, so let me do that. Okay, we have successfully cleaned the template folder. Let's go to the next step. The next step is to create an YAML file with the name config.configmap.yaml. Yeah. So let's create that and save it as a config map.yaml. Okay, and this has to be saved under template. So that's it. That was the step. Okay. So now let me go to the template and let's save it as a config map.yaml. Okay, so this file, it contains a kind is equal to config map and the name is my chart hyphen config map and the data my value is equal to hello world. It's a very simple YAML definition. Yeah. So with that note, let's go to the next step. Okay, the next step is we need to do a cd to the next folder, nothing but the real my chart folder. Okay, that is nothing but real a Helm chart folder. So let me do a cd to that path first. Then go to the next command. Okay, the next command is to save. Okay, next command is to save the chart locally. Okay, then create a alias of the same chart. Okay, so let's create a chart, local chart. So local chart has been successfully created. Okay, next one I need to create a alias of that's the same chart and with some certain names. Okay, names is again nothing but pointing to my ECR registry. Okay, registry URL. Okay, so let's go to the next step and let me do that. So we have created a chart aliases for our registry as well. The next command is to list. Okay, so let's now we have created multiple charts. Okay, one we created locally and one we created alias of the local. Yeah. So now let's list the charts being present in this local machine. Okay, in this machine. So currently we see there are two references of charts. Okay. Now let's go to the next step. The next step is to push the charts to the ECR. Okay, this is the final command. Okay, which will push the Helm charts. Okay, using Helm chart push command. Okay, so let's do that. So this is command. What this command does is it will push the existing charts, that is Helm chart, to the ECR which we have created above. Okay, so let me do that. It takes some time. Okay, and finally it will finish up the pushes. Here you go. Push it remote one layer and KB something like that. Yeah. So it has successfully pushed the Helm chart image to the ECR. So let's do the final command to get the information about the chart about the our ECR. Okay. This is the programmatical way of identifying whether the chart has been pushed successfully or not. Here it says it has already has the charts. Okay. So now so here it is the repository name and it has the chart as well. Yeah, it has the chart as well. So let's now go to the this one. This is the private repository. So inside this we should see one image. Okay, that is the final show of this demo. Yeah, so that's it. We have successfully created a Helm chart and also pushed the Helm chart to the AWS ECR. Okay, so that is the motive of this demo and we have successfully shown you that. So again, thanks for watching our videos. Kind request, please do subscribe my channel. That would really encourage me a lot. Okay, with that note, thank you, thanks a lot.